Hey everyone, back with another NTAPE demo here. There's an update on the progress being made so far. I have added moving platforms and ladders, and also a bit of debug information, which will probably be expanded on as I build the engine. Okay, so this here is the room. Those green objects are ladders, and this black square just here is a moving platform. The actual scripts themselves, there's now a few more. We've got an extra 4 scripts at objects. So just here we have an OBJ control. Within that, our create event, we have NTAPE setup. That now sets up the initial engine. So I now have the engine information within this script, and then down here you can see you set the player object. At the moment that's mainly for the debug information. The wall parent, the player step script uses that, and then you've actually got the debug show or not just down here, so whether you actually want it to show on game start or not, and for now I'll just leave that as 0 so it won't show. So yeah, that is done within the control object, and the depth is highest, so that is the first object created and ran. Within its draw GUI we have NTAPE Debug Info script, and that simply draws the debug information to the screen. So each script has its own information within it, so that you can see what it does just by reading that. As you can see here, it says the script should be run in the draw event of an object. Just here we can toggle it on with F1, so whether you want it on and off, that can be changed with F1. Just down here we go through and draw the actual debug information. As for moving platforms, there's now a setup script for those. So we need to set up a few variables to control those platforms. So if I go into the actual platform itself, you have in the create event, the platform setup. As you can see down the bottom here, you input the horizontal speed and vertical speed. So in this case I've got horizontal speed set to 2 and vertical speed set to 0, so it will move across 2 pixels every step. It's currently on 30 steps a second, and then just in here we have the NTAPE moving platform step script, and that's just here. You've got a bit of info, but the rest is just the code that makes it work. So I'll run this now and you can see how it all works. Alright, so as you can see we've got a moving platform just here, and it spins around each time it hits a wall. The ladders here, you just push up and down to use those, and as for the moving platform, as you can see, you can get on it, move around, jump and everything, and use that to get around. Now with the platforms, you can see if I jump and then move into it, I don't automatically latch on. To latch on you actually have to push up or down, and it'll latch on for you. But this allows us to walk straight past it like that instead of latching straight on. And also with the moving platform you can continue moving past it without grabbing onto it. And then if you actually want to get on, you just push up and down to actually get onto it. One thing I did forget to show you, in the player setup there's now a few extra options. So we have our climb up and climb down keys. So to go up the ladders and down the ladders, in this case I've just set it to VK up and VK down. And then can you use the ladders or not? So if I set this to false, then that will make it so that we can no longer climb those ladders, but those are still active within the actual room. So as you can see, I can't climb up and down those anymore. So yeah, that's all I've done so far. I'm going to keep working on this, keep adding extra features. If you have suggestions for the engine, things you'd like to see in it, feel free to comment below, or send us a tweet. I'll link to our Twitter page in the description. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.